Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yegane and today we want to paint something different. This is also 3D printed design, and if you wanted to know how it's turned out, stay with me. I want to paint this design and it takes almost 7 hours to be printed, as you can see the printer. And it was for the beginning it was white and I just put the primer on it. There's a spray you can put, or it's depend on you. If you want, you can put the spray of primer and it's gonna dry in 10 minutes and then you can have any color on top of it. So today I want to use the airbrush color special for 3D printed designs and objects, and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do this. So let's go. I'm gonna start with this color. This is black color, and you can use any mark that you want. I have this one and I'm gonna put it inside my airbrush, and I'll put a little bit water to be mixed, and then I'm gonna start to paint it. So if you want to put the color 2 or 3 times in order to cover all the object, you need to dry it. Every layer that you want to do it, you need to dry it. I'll use a hair dryer for it. Then I'm gonna put another layer. I'm done now, and I need to let it to be dry, and then we'll go to the next level. So guys, as you can see, this is all black covered. So now I want to have some gold on it. I don't want to use airbrush now. I just want to use a sponge, and I want to make some highlights on it. And this is the color that I use, metallic gold. So I'm gonna start to do what? Shake it. I'm gonna start from here, like this, just tap. I just want the detail to come up like this. As you can see, it looks different, like something really nice and unique. So I just want to start from here, and you can see how it goes. As you can see, this is so simple, like there's nothing specific technique here, and you can paint it almost with a brush or something else. You don't need to have airbrush for it, and you after that with the brush you can use the sponge like me, just tap it whatever you want. So it's kind of art that you see difference and you enjoy, I'm sure. If you still don't know what is it, this is dragon, but it's something else that I'll add in end of the video to show you. You have to be with me. Okay, there's a line here. I'm gonna show you after that from close. So I want to paint it gold. There we go. I'm gonna take a picture after that, and I'll show you what is it exactly. So okay guys, thank you for watching this video until the end with me. If you like this video, please comment, like and subscribe our channel. So I'm gonna back with another video. Bye.